Feeling good. It's perfect temperature. You got a little bit of a cold drink underneath your chair. Go ahead and put your pants back on, dude. Go ahead and just slap them down there. It's 90 degrees. Grab that drink right underneath your chair. It's perfectly good drink. Just take a big drink. Take a big drink. It's the most refreshing thing you've ever had. It's the most refreshing thing you've ever had. Take a big drink. It's giggle juice. Take a big drink of the giggle juice. Take a big drink of the giggle juice. Just take a big drink of the giggle juice. Here, take a big... Take a big drink of the giggle juice. Big drink of the giggle juice. Take a big drink, bigger drink of the giggle juice. Take it. Big drink of the giggle juice. It's onion juice! Onion juice! Somebody put onion juice in your drink. Somebody put onion juice in your drink. That's nasty. Who would have done that? That's the nastiest thing. Hold on now, it's ice water. Take a drink of the ice water. It'll refresh the onion juice. It'll refresh the onion juice. Take a big drink of that refreshing ice water. Go ahead and take a big drink.